Why set goals in tech learning?
Firstly, learning technology skills can feel overwhelming with so many paths to choose from. Setting clear goals helps you stay motivated, track your progress, and focus on what matters most. Without intentional targets, it's easy to lose direction or get distracted. Using SMART goals gives structure to your tech learning journey, making your efforts more effective and rewarding.
What are S.M.A.R.T goals?
This framework breaks down your objectives into clear, practical steps. Instead of vague ambitions, you're prompted to define exactly what you want to achieve and by when. SMART goals are used by students and professionals alike to improve focus and accountability during skill development.
Crafting your SMART tech goal.
To create a SMART goal, start by identifying your desired tech skill. For example, instead of learn Python, specify complete a beginner Python course and build 2 small projects in 3 months. This goal is concrete, trackable, reasonable, connected to your interests, and gives you a clear deadline to work toward.
Benefits of SMART goals in tech.
SMART goals provide a clear roadmap for your learning. They make it easier to break complex skills into manageable milestones, measure your progress, and celebrate small wins. This boosts your confidence and helps you build momentum. Over time, you'll notice steady growth and stay motivated, even if you encounter challenges along the way.
Getting started with your SMART goals.
Begin by assessing your current skills and identifying gaps you want to fill. Write your first SMART goal using the framework and break it into actionable steps. Review your progress regularly and adjust your goals if needed. With SMART goals guiding you, your tech learning journey becomes purposeful, focused, and far more rewarding.